Now, wound contraction, how does it occur? You have the fibroblasts that contain myofilaments which lead to the contraction of the wound classically. Road traffic accident हो गया, bile duct injury हो गया, complete injury हो गया, how do you treat? Depends on whether patient is hemodynamically stable or not. Accordingly, we plan Rook's NY choledochojejunostomy as the part of the management. You have done cardiac transplantation. First post-operative year, honeymoon went very well. First anniversary हो गया. Then why the patient will die? जो भी आप ट्रांसप्लांट किया उसमें एक्सेलरेटेड ग्राफ्ट एथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस होगा एंड उनकी वजह से यू विल हैव पोस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर मॉर्बिडिटी will be developing. 78-year-old non-tender mass in the lateral neck, and what is the best way that you want to prove that it is cancerous? Always what is the rule? Isolated enlarged cervical lymph node है और आप adult है, चलो get ready for a malignancy being discovered. Malignancy is found in 80% of times if there is an isolated enlarged cervical lymph node, is what you have to basically remember. Microcalcifications which are clustered are very classical to say that something fishy, something malignant is possible. Hence we do the breast biopsy in those people. Now, colostomy में peristomal hernia is the most common complication which need to be remembered. Now coming to the pancreatic cancer, 99% of them, they are metastatic at the time of diagnosis, which is the unfortunate part about the story. Chalo. Should be an answer, doctor? A mother who is angry at her husband yells at her child. HOD who is angry about his wife will shout on resident. What is this an example of? Which defense mechanism? Regression, displacement, reaction, formation or isolation? Excellent. Everybody correctly answered. Defense mechanisms in psychiatry, 4 questions में एक question defense mechanism, एक question schizophrenia, एक question ADHD, Rett disorder वो सब, and one more question on personality disorder. 4 questions simplified. So doctor, mother who is angry at her husband yelling on child is displacement. And someone who has a sexual fantasy for the children, pedophile, he goes to the monastery and joins a monastery, is an example of reaction formation. All the family members were killed by terrorists, and TV news guys came and asked, how did they die, how are you feeling about it? The woman calmly describes the grisly murder, is an example of isolation. A hospitalized 10-year-old begins to wet in his bed. At home he was not wetting, is an example of regression. So these are the important defense mechanisms which you have to be very, very sure, doctor. TOF classically lead to development of cyanosis, typically at the age group of 3 years. Aortocoronary bypass grafting. Some of you are going to become cardiothoracic surgeons in no time. When do you want to do? If it is a crescendo angina, pain increasing in frequency is an indication. The remaining are not considered to be indications for CABG. Now coming to a 75-year-old, if you are suspecting carotid stenosis, what is the best investigation? 4-vessel Doppler, vertebrals, carotids. Doppler karo, more than 70% stenosis hai, carotid endarterectomy kar do. So that is the important first investigation. Flaccid neurogenic bladder is there in a patient. How do you want to manage him? Self-catheterization is the best way by which you can be able to manage, especially those who are having a element type of a flaccid neurogenic bladder, is what you need to remember. Now, BPH is there. When do you want to operate on BPH? If there is a acute urinary retention or recurrent UTI is there in that elderly man who has BPH, you are giving levofloxacin, glivofloxacin, ufloxacin, every possible antibiotic on the earth, but recurrent UTI because of the BPH and obstruction. Yes, indication for surgery. Okay, doc. Should be an answer. A 5-month-old girl has decreased head growth, truncal discoordination and decreased social interaction. What is your diagnosis? Smell the clinical vignette and answer in the tomorrow's exam. Yes, doctor. Excellent. Dr. Anuja from Pune rightly said, Rett's disorder is what you need to basically remember. Now there is a carcinoma of prostate. If you look epidemiologically, it is more common in the American blacks who are like the Indians. Epidemiologically, we resemble statistics that apply to the American blacks than any other American ethnic groups. It arises mainly from where, Dr. Prostate cancer periphery. BPH arises centrally, periurethral. This is what you need to remember. That's good. Now, doctor, testicular cancer, cryptorchidism, even if you correct also, increases the risk of the testicular cancer, is what need to be remembered. Now, after doing orchidectomy, when do you want to do the lymph node dissection retroperitoneally is an important issue in the management of testicular carcinoma. If it is an embryonal carcinoma, teratocarcinoma or adult teratoma, if there is no supradiaphragmatic spread, you need to do a lymph node dissection, and if you do that, that will increase the 5-year survival and also helps in staging. One of the favorite MCQs in the exam, indications for retroperitoneal lymph node dissection in a case of the testicular cancer depends on histology. If it is seminoma, no need, but if it is a non-seminomatous germ cell tumor, then you definitely require it. Retroperitoneal lymph node dissection. Coming to the bone tumors, geographic radiological picture is typical of a benign process basically. Now this is called as geographic appearance in the second metacarpal. If you find this kind of a lesion, typically it is a benign tumor like enchondroma. That is what you will basically conclude. So all our dreams of image based questions, they all gone into ashes. Straight Solomon knife edge kind of questions. But good news is 200 questions will be definitely skating on the ice if you are well prepared. Otherwise it is walking in the desert with the sand underneath your feet. Now doctor, coming to bone tumors. A 20-year-old man with 3-month history of the pain in the knee and found to have a benign tumor, what are the possible pathologies? Giant cell tumor, chondroma, osteochondroma, chondroblastoma, non-ossifying fibroma, they are the things which you need to basically contemplate. Shoot me an answer, doctor. Which antiviral drug is known to inhibit the synthesis of the guanine nucleotides because it competes with IMP dehydrogenase? It is used in RSV and chronic hepatitis C, and it can lead to hemolytic anemia. We are talking about which antiviral? Who will give me the correct answer? That's good. Dr. Manu says it is ribavirin. Anantapur seconds the answer as ribavirin. You have anything else in your mind? Ribavirin gets a big clap. That's good. Now doctor, coming to osteoid osteoma. Technetium bone scan almost always positive. It is not negative in the case of the osteoid osteoma. Ketamine, ICP rises, IOP rises, myocardial oxygen demand rises, everything rises, finally patient will rise to heaven. So ketamine rises everything, nothing falls. Now doctor, if there is a low cardiac output state, if you are using an intravenous anesthetic, it won't decrease, it will increase the side effects. If preload is low, if you are given IV anesthetic, the chances of intensity of the side effects will be increasing instead of decreasing. I leave to you in the literature why it happens like that. So the protein binding, blood flow to the brain, extracellular pH and pK of the drug, speed of injection, they all will decide the ultimate toxicity profile in a patient who receives IV anesthetics is what need to be remembered. Coming to the local anesthetics, why you can't give it in a epidural block in the case of labor? Prilocaine what is fishy about it? Prilocaine lead to methemoglobinemia. Because of this side effect, we can't be able to use it safely in the epidural block at the time of the labor is what need to be remembered. Okay doc. Now you need to shoot me an answer. I am talking about an antiviral once more. It is a viral DNA polymerase inhibitor. It does not require activation by a kinase. It is used in CMV retinitis and those in whom the ganciclovir has failed or acyclovir became resistant. It can lead to nephrotoxicity. Chalo, what is your answer? Huh? Yes? Loud answer. Cidofovir? No doc. All these, only one drug should come to your mind. Foscarnet. All your classmates are shooting answers like Mirage fighter plane pilots. This next 40 days, doctor, full high spirit of reading, shooting, single liners, revising, rapid revision. ज़्यादा एंग्जाइटी हो गई तो जरा सो जाके उठ के मुंह धो के और बैठ के फिर start the game. And those who continue to game without stopping only will win. That is the whole secret of this entrance, especially with a short time being given, without any regrets. Foscarnet, that's right. Then you can also help teacher. Suppose anytime you are little bored, you can compose 5 to 6 questions and shoot a mail to student@onlinembbs.com. To your classmate or junior, we will give a free account, examination account for the contribution you did. Those questions we will reuse, and always remember, those questions which are framed by the students will definitely come in exam. It is not teacher framed questions. It is while you are studying, no, you will think this can come as a question, will definitely come in exam. That's how you need to add up preparation, and that's the purpose of our group. Okay doc.